We're the Huston sisters.
Hey everyone, I'm Tip with the Huston sisters. So today I will be making a yummy blackened Alfredo pasta. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Everybody loves my recipe. It's so delicious. Stay tuned to the end. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. I will see you at the end. Alright, I'm going to get started with these noodles. Just want to make sure that my water is seasoned. Right here I did not add my oil, but I do also like to add some extra virgin olive oil or some avocado oil to my water when I boil my noodles so that they do not stick. And then you'll see me go in starting with my meats. You may see me cooking my shrimp in a separate pan than the one I was using for the sausage and the chicken. I do recommend that you cook them separately but in the same pan so that they can get the yummy flavors from each meat, and then those flavors will also be in the pasta as well. But only if you have someone that is allergic to shrimp or shellfish in your family, you may want to cook that separately. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. guys, so now I am starting with the sauce. I am using store-bought Alfredo, but I add my own ingredients to this to just make it taste a lot better, and you really can't even tell that it's store-bought. So when you taste this, you're really going to be surprised at how this tastes. The brand that I use is still a pretty good brand, but right out the can, I usually have to add some extra stuff to it. But you'll see what I'm talking about once you actually taste this recipe. Thank you guys for continuing to watch. Make sure you check out our website at HustonSisters.com. Also, make sure you go ahead and click that like button so others who are interested in these type of videos can also watch them, and it'll show up on their timeline as well. Thanks again, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, before this video ends, I just want to thank you guys again so much for staying tuned to the end. Thank you for watching. Welcome again, new subscribers or new watchers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell. And we will see you next time. Stay to the end so you can see the finished product. Make sure you check out HustonSisters.com. That's HUSTON sisters.com. See you next time, you guys. Peace.